Sis. Oh, that was the shit. Mr. Reed, sir. That's the only number I wear on my back. Shit. That's the only number I wear on my back.
This nigga coming out there with grass on you.
I don't know, but it's like.
No, the nigga came up.
Here he come, yo. Oh, yo, put the music on. Oh, this gonna be some good shit here, boy. Oh! Oh! Who was that he threw on himself, yo?
That was the dirt. That was the guy. That's why I said I know to see the guy running out with dirt, yo.
Oh man, that was the shit, yo.
Why didn't you do that?
He came in with his glasses on. You know they've been crying all weekend.